What's up, guys? Welcome back to my videos. As you know, I got a Eastwood TIG welder. It was very hard to start welding. A friend of mine, Danielle, from Poor Man's Car Garage, check out his channel. He's building an Eclipse like mine, and he bought a welder, so he was trying to teach me. I bought a welder, and he got a TIG welder, and I was like, man, I gotta have a TIG welder. And so then I got a TIG welder, and it was hard to learn. So I got here something, and I'm gonna show you how this machine is. And one thing I'm gonna tell you right out of the bat: do not buy 20 cubic feet or 40 cubic feet tiny bottle. They're less than nothing. So this is my setting right now. I have, so you know, you connect the things here. There's no way to connect anything wrong. And here you can have TIG or stick. This here AC for aluminum. Never try aluminum yet. Foot pedal or panel control. Panel control, you're gonna work with the power right here. Foot pedal is gonna be right down there on the bottom. So it doesn't matter what you have here, because if you put in here, you have a little click in there. When you press, it works. When you release, it stops. The paddle, you can control how deep you go. It's like the car, the throttle, right? So you can, even though you put 110, 120, if you do halfway, it's going to be 60. And this is the lucky settings for me. -3 on the overload, which is the cleaning area. So if you just go around the metal, it's going to clean that much. So if you move up or down, it's going to clean wider or shorter. Pre-flow and post-flow is about the gas. So pre-flow 0.2 seconds and post-flow 3 seconds. This should be enough for us. I'm gonna put the pedal again right here. I'm welding this thing here, which is hard for me. It's the exhaust for my car, so you know, first thing of all, you gotta clean the parts. And then use acetone, not Monster. Monster's right there, but acetone. Clean the parts, let it dry, and then we're gonna go for it. I was already welding, and I decided to stop for a bit and make a video of the new welder. You know, just if you are, first, if you don't know how to weld like me, and you want to get a Eastwood, is it worth? I'm gonna say yes, but judge for yourself. So again, no professional, I have no idea what I'm doing, and even that, I'm able to do something. So let's get this here on a good position for you guys. And you see my cleaning job here is not the best ever. Tungsten gotta be sharpened. This is the purple. It comes with a blue and red, I think. And the way it's working better for me, I'm going like this. And because this bottom one here is thicker, I'm making the puddle in here and then moving my way up. So let's start and see how it goes. Yeah, the puddle is there. Look at that. Check it out. It has some porosity, and I think it's because it's dirty. But yeah, check it out. Not bad at all for an amateur. I'm gonna try to close this gap here. See? There you go. So look at my tungsten. It is kind of bubbly. There's a bubble in there, and I touch in here once. So I'm gonna sharpen that. I'm gonna show you that too. So let's go there. So I just got a grinder like that, and this side I use just for this. And so you clean the bubble out of there. Don't let the tungsten get red, and do like this. Yeah, I guess I did too much of an angle, but it's gonna be fine. So this is what I watched online and what I read. Your tungsten should stick out basically as much as your cup, and some people stick out more. So that's been working for me well. So a little more on this side, and that's it. Let me show you. So this is the side I did first, and yeah, check it out. It's not bad. I mean, it's not the best service, of course. You see here, it's a big bad detail, you know, but I mean, I'm a newbie. Probably this is the second piece. The first piece I welded was this here. No, I'm lying. Was this guy here, which is very ugly. This is way better, and this here was a third. So it is not bad at all. I mean, there is some, I don't know yet how to put the filling rod, so that's why. And you know, here I had it on 110, so I was flooring it. Yeah, weld like we stole it. Like, drive like you stole it. Alright, so, bro, this is hot. So I'm gonna paint now. Just spray a little bit and then put in the car. That's gonna be a different video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you see this machine. I am not, I'm not a pro. Is not even a thing. I'm not even not a beginner. I just bought the machine and tried to play, and honestly, when I tried to start to weld stuff, it wouldn't even get it together. So this is a win-win. This is kind of easy for me because this is very thick, but I hope this helps you. I hope you can see the machine, and I hope you can see a very inexperienced person welding. Consider subscribing to my channel. There's a lot of content coming on the Mitsubishi Eclipse, on the Toyota Supra. There's another BMW with a 2JZ in the storage. So there's a lot of cool stuff coming in. This here goes in this, and it's going to be a different video. So it's important you subscribe and hit the little bell button. Check out my... No, don't check out anything. And I'll catch you later. Look past my face. Status. I mean, it's a McDonald's. 20 miles.